Alright. What should I do this time? I know. I should steal a fire truck. Ha 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 ha. Oh, they left it in here. So time to get it. Ha 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 ha. Now it's time for driving to the MAE-RSK truck. Ha 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 ha. And So's crashing into it. Ha 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 ha. Man, I can't wait to go to a store. I don't know where we're going. Where we're going. We're going to drive to the highway. Alright. Hope nothing happens to 1redbed, the troublemaker. I agree with you. Oh my gosh! Ah! Who's responsible for this crash? I don't know who just break it, but who was responsible for it? I don't know. I don't know who was responsible for this. Must run away. Wait. It's 1redbed. He is responsible for this crash. Oh crap. Oh my god. So in trouble. Yes you are. Go home now. Whoa. 1redbed, how dare you crash the fire truck and hit it to the truck. Lucky you didn't injure one of the people driving in it. And lucky you weren't arrested. That's it. You're grounded for 20 days till Connor Phillips haters work been terminated. And Hangry Stickman and Among Us fan gets more subscribers than you. Go to your room right now. No.